To create a cinematic intro in CapCut for PC, begin by going to the Library tab and selecting a background from the Background section. Add it to your timeline. Go to the Text tab and add a default text layer above your background. Type your text, make it bold, and adjust its size and duration to match the background. With the text selected, go to the Animation tab and choose the category. Find and apply the Prairie Fire animation, then adjust its duration to your preference. Select both the text layer and the background clip on the timeline, right-click, and choose Create Compound Clip to combine them. Now go back to the Media tab, select your main video, and drag it onto the timeline below the compound clip. Select the compound clip, go to the Animation tab on the right panel, and under the Out category, apply the Fade Out animation. Adjust its duration as needed. Then go to the Video Basic tab on the right panel. Click on Blend, select Multiply, and adjust the opacity to around 65%. Finally, preview your timeline to see the smooth cinematic result. Your cinematic intro is now complete.